How to remove Bixby from Samsung phone. Bixby keeps popping up when we press the side button by mistake, but if we do not turn it off, it can interrupt our calls, videos, and daily use. So let's remove it in seconds. We can go to our settings for that, and once we go to our settings, we can go to advanced features. So we can scroll down, look out for the option of advanced features, and go ahead and tap on it. And once we are in this section, we need to look out for the side button or side key option and tap on it. And once we are headed over there, we can just go over and look out for the option of power menu or the Bixby voice. So we can just go over and turn it off here. So we can just go over and if the Bixby voice option is available here, we can tap on the toggle option to turn it off. So when that happens, if we double press, it will turn on the Bixby voice on our device. Or we can just go over to our settings app, and within our settings, go to apps. And within apps, we can just go and find Bixby voice or Bixby service. So I can use the search at the top, and there's just type in Bixby. And once you find the Bixby voice Bixby service, you can just go find the card for the option of disable in the bottom right corner, bottom left corner, or tap on the option called full stop and tap on OK and confirm it up. And once you do so, the Bixby is removed and our Samsung phone is finally interruption free. You can just go and complete it up. Complete this process up, and that should remove the Bixby from your Samsung phone, and you can use your phone once again. So that's it, everybody. You may follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.